Good afternoon, everyone. It's hump day, and yes, it's very dreary, but at least the heavy rain that we saw this morning has moved east, and now we're just dealing with some light, pesky rain and even drizzle in spots. We have some light rain around the Foley area, also Fairhope, Daphne getting in on that action. Zooming in a little bit tighter, Robertsdale. We also have Summerdale, Loxley getting the action as well, traveling over parts of I-10, the Bayway. You can expect some slowdowns because of slick roads. We also have some wet weather that's going to be tracking up parts of I-65. Again, very light in nature, though. The city of Mobile, just some drizzle for the most part, and that's pretty much going to be the theme throughout the rest of the afternoon into the evening. So if you don't have to get out in this weather, this is definitely a day to get some takeout or just to stay in the house and watch a movie. And we're going to have a few light showers as you make your way into parts of Clark County and Monroe County. Temperature-wise, because of the clouds, the rain-cooled air, and that north wind ushering in that cooler air, temperatures staying in the 40s today. We only are at 46 right now in Mobile, 49 in Pensacola, 43 up towards Evergreen. And as far as your weather headlines, we're looking at pesky, periodic rain showers for the rest of the afternoon. Slim chance for a wintry mix, maybe a few flurries kind of mixing in with some rain showers if you're close to the Highway 84. That'll be later on tonight, though, around midnight. Again, very slim chance for that, and if you see that, it'll be gone before you know it. No accumulation. Aside from that, though, keeping it cloudy through tomorrow morning, then the sun returns by tomorrow afternoon, and then it's going to warm up. So here's a look at clouds and radar. All of that rain we saw this morning is moving out. It's a big picture to this, though. You can see all of the south and east is covered with some type of precipitation, a big ice situation for parts of Georgia and the Carolinas. Even throughout the northern parts of Alabama, they're going to get a wintry mix later tonight. For us, though, here's that low that created the wet weather for us locally. It's continuing to move away, and we're just going to tap into this northwest flow. The back end of that will give us that slim chance for maybe a little bit of a wintry mix for areas well north of I-10. Nonetheless, though, here's a look through 5 o'clock. Just a few scattered showers. Again, as we head towards midnight or after 10 o'clock, you could get a little bit of blue mixing in. Again, that's well north. For the most part, we're going to keep temperatures above the freezing mark tonight for many areas. Again, if you're closer to Highway 84, though, there is that slim chance for that wintry mix. But by tomorrow morning, aside from being cold, we're just going to have a cloudy start, but the sunshine will be back by mid-morning, and it's going to stick around not just through Thursday, but also as we head into our Friday and then for the weekend. So go ahead and make the outdoor plans. We have Mardi Gras, the kickoff in Mobile taking place Friday, and we're going to have many events for the weekend. So again, go ahead and plan to be outdoors. As far as tonight, though, it's going to be very chilly. We'll go with 34 for Citronelle, 34 for Daphne, keeping temperatures into the 30s, also for Foley with 36. 20% chance for a shower. This is overnight as we head north of the interstate. Again, just a small potential for a wintry mix. Aside from that, though, temperatures flirting with the freezing mark here with 32 for Frisco City. As we head into the Florida Panhandle, we'll go 35 for a low in Pensacola, around the freezing mark for Crestview. And then as we head into our Mississippi counties, again, keeping it pretty chilly for tonight. Definitely the type of nights that add an extra blanket to the bed. Aside from that, though, we're going to be warming up. So here's the 7-day. And for tomorrow, we're going to reach the upper 50s, and then by Friday, we're going to have temperatures into the upper 60s. Now, cold front's going to move through, a quick one, but it's not going to bring us much in the way of rain, so your weekend looks great. Temperatures flirting with 70 by Sunday. Stay tuned. We'll be back right after this.